Welcome back. It is science inspired by Valentine's Day. Chemical Kim is here to show us the unique behavior of 3 metals: sodium, copper, and magnesium.
Yes, we're actually going to replace one of the metals with calcium, actually. You're going to take the sodium out. Sodium didn't want to participate with Valentine's Day, but that's okay.
Sodium's single this year and is boycotting Valentine's Day. Yes, like so many others.
Yeah, I think chlorine broke up with sodium, so they're done.
It's painful this year.
It's so sad.
It's always hard the first year. You got a lot of covering. This is the most covering I've ever seen on any segment that we've done, so I'm a little nervous in a good way.
We have to be protected. It's Valentine's Day, so we have to be safe, right?
Right.
And most important, we have to dress for Valentine's Day. So the first thing we're going to do is dress as a chemist, right? So you're going to put on your safety glasses because, you know, being safe is sexy.
Safe is sexy, people. Valentine's Day. That's your PSA. Okay?
That's right. And of course, the gloves, protection.
Right.
Protection.
On that.
So our first investigation and our first sort of change of chemistry into love is to make silver. I mean, who would not want silver?
Silver,
right?
yes.
Yeah, so silver for our loved ones. So what we're going to do is actually do a really unique chemistry, sort of alchemy, and we're going to do what's called transmutation. Okay. Which is actually not true chemistry. It's sort of the old term chemistry of alchemy, and we're going to transform copper into silver. Okay, so what you're going to do is just put those pieces of copper into this material that looks like water, doesn't it?
It does.
Clear and colorless, but through the magic and love of chemistry, hopefully we will have some beautiful, beautiful silver.
Okay.
And let's make some more silver. Maybe we want to make a ring for that one that we love, right? So I want you to coil that up.
Finger.
just coil that up to get it to fit into here.
Okay.
Okay. So again, this is a material that looks like water.
Okay.
And back in the day of alchemy, they truly believed that they could take one material, and you'll just drop it right into there, and transform it into a material that's worth more. So it's like lead into gold. So we're turning copper into silver. This is going to take a little bit, so we're going to look at that at the end of the segment. Okay. But you know, what would Valentine's Day be without a little bit of wine?
Right.
And through the
Sparkling
magic
white wine-ish.
Of well, this is clear wine. But through the magic of chemistry, we of course want red wine for Valentine's Day.
Sure, right.
And so, you know, I always joke, let's get physical, no, let's get chemical.
Oh, okay, even better.
Chemical. So we're going to use a really cool chemical reaction with calcium and water. Okay. And I have a material in there that's going to show evidence of this reaction. You're going to drop, and look at this is calcium, by the way. If you've ever seen calcium.
No, I've never seen calcium.
That's calcium.
So just drop it in?
Yep, that's from your bones. I had to tear my bones apart this morning. And we're just going to drop that in. I'll drop a few more pieces in. And we will see.
Oh my goodness, you can already see the reaction starting.
Exactly. Do you see how the solutions are, that was clear is now turning into that magic?
This is beautiful color.
Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get chemical. I tell you, this is fantastic.
So
is that not romantic? You could turn the lights down. Don't turn the lights down, but you could turn the lights down.
Yeah, don't turn the lights down. Chemical.
But you know, and enjoy that wine with the one that you love. Of course, this is not wine. I used an indicator to show this evidence of chemical reaction. What we made is calcium hydroxide. Okay. And I used an indicator, ready for this, called phenolphthalein. And this indicator used to be in X-Lax tablets, believe it or not. Oh. Back in the 90s. So there you go. Go into Grandma's cabinet and grab some X-Lax, and then you can make some
play with things.
Water to wine. Okay, so our last reaction, of course, is to light things up, right? And this material is magnesium. Okay. And we've all heard of magnesium. Yeah. You're using it for many applications. We've seen magnesium in car parts. I heard that the Volkswagen Bug actually has quite a bit of magnesium in its vehicle. Okay. Okay. The one danger with this is you never want to bring water to a magnesium fire. Okay. Okay. But we're going to do it small scale. And so you're ready to, hearing that fact, are you ready to burn a little bit of magnesium?
But I'm going to anyway.
Because you have to light up the world. You're going to put it onto the tongs. Okay, so I give you a small piece there. And I'm going to ignite it. We'll hold it up over here, and we will see if we can light up.
My hair is really flammable, just saying.
The day. Well, that enhances our evening.
Even better.
Stephanie. And you can see how much, now wouldn't this be a better application than a candle for Valentine's Day?
That is amazing.
To light up your evening with some magnesium.
We've got about 30 seconds left, so I want to come back to the faux silver here.
Yes. So if we look at what we're already producing now in our little container, we will see that we have actually silver growing right there. And this is after about a 20-minute soak. And you can see, Stephanie, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Is that not incredible chemistry for Valentine's Day?
That is so crazy. It literally is like it's growing.
Exactly. Some silver pieces.
Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
To turn into a ring and say, I love you.
That is so cool. That is so amazing.
How can you not love chemistry?
I love it. I love it. As always, that is very cool. You can find more information on all of Kim's amazing science experiments at chemicalkim.com. We've put that link on our website, WZZM13.com. Just head to the take.